morning, everyone. This is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Today we're going to be making 2 more cards using our leftover cards from our Bright and Beautiful Memories and More card class. Now we had a few left over. We're also using our Beautiful Balloons bundle. We're using the Tinsel Gems 4-pack and some of our leftover fun stickers. Okay, if you are interested in purchasing the PDF for the Memories and More class, we did 20 cards, 2 each of 10 different designs, super fast and easy. And then during the videos this week, I'm giving you 6 additional projects you could do, and you have enough supplies left to do 2 of each, so that's 12 more cards. We got 12 cards plus the 20, it's 32 cards, and you're gonna have some stickers left over. So, really good deal on making these cards for not too much. Okay, so our first project, we're actually using Lemon Lime Twist for both of our card bases today. So that's just 1 sheet, and then I used a little layer of Night of Navy. The cards are 3 by 4, so usually my layer for this is going to be 3 1/4 by 5 1/4, but I will post the measurements on my blog, so the link below is there as well. Okay, I just thought this was a super cute little frame. Goes so well with that Lemon Lime Twist, and I'm just going to adhere this down to my card front. Okay, just like that. Now I'm going to make this a thank you card because, you know, somebody gives you a little gift. I don't think I put this on straight. I'm not seeing straight this week. It's always nice to have a little thank you card. So I'm just going to put this little thanks sticker right above. And then we have this fun sticker right here. It's kind of an arrow with a bunch of the fun color polka dots. And I'm going to pull in some of my Lemon Lolly ribbon. This ribbon, it comes in a 3-pack, gorgeous. It should be back in stock soon. Very popular because it is so cute. And I'm just going to kind of fold it and stick it to the back of my sticker, just like that. Super easy. You don't have to even measure it. Just fold it up, stick it to the back of the sticker. And if you want to move it around, I think I'm going to scoot this all a little bit more to the right, so it's a little more evenly spaced. Perfect. I just want to make sure I'm not covering my words, so I might bring it down just a little bit more. I'm going to put it right about here. All right, now I'm going to pop this up. Let's grab some dimensionals. I'm not sure, I've got big dimensionals. I think this might be too big. So let's use some small ones. One over here and one right kind of in the middle, just to help support. Okay, I put this down so it's not covering my words. I'm going to trim this just a hair more. Cute! You could add some dots if you wanted. Maybe I will. Maybe we'll add a couple. Let me grab what I've got here. This is my big jumble of dots. Let's do, only got a few yellows left on this pack. We'll do one here. Whoop. And since it's fun, it's got all the colors. Let's do a pink, and then maybe we'll do a fun blue one. We'll do one of each since it's got so many great colors. A blue one, and we'll do a little green one. Why not? Put that one there. Maybe we'll put this blue one down just a little bit. No, I want to keep it on the white. And we'll put this green one right there. Cute. Isn't that cute? Now, if you wanted to put a white on the inside, you can. I didn't because this is still light enough that you can write pretty easily. Okay, so that's card number 1. Let's bring our other pieces in for our second card. So we're using lemon lime twist for the base as well. Okay, and we're going to do a landscape portrait card again. So I have a piece of Azure Afternoon to go behind my Hip Hip Hooray card. And we're just going to adhere this. And this one I'm going to put at a fun little angle, maybe put it like this, just to have a little movement in the card. Then I have die cut. This is a little tag that is in the Beautiful Balloons dies. It's right here. And you just want to make sure all your little fun pieces are popped out of there. So I just cut that out of basic white. And I'm going to stamp, because this is a Hip Hip Hooray. I'm not going to do a birthday so much. I'm going to do more of a kind of a congratulations. So I'm going to do so thrilled for you. So this would be great for a, you know, a new baby, you know, new pregnancy. It could be for a promotion. It could be for a new job, whatever. And I'm going to do, this calls for celebration with Azure Afternoon. We're just going to stamp that right inside because that could be used for any celebratory occasion. You could even do birthday if you want. You could stamp happy birthday instead of so thrilled for you. And I'm going to take my lemon lime twist ink and a sponge dauber, and I'm just going to kind of go around and do my corners and the edges just to add a little more color to that bright white tag. So I'm going to get those fun edges so that they'll pop a little bit, and then just around the other parts of the tag. All right, and let's bring in a little Azure Afternoon ribbon. Cut a little bit. We're going to fold that in half and put that through the hole for our tag from the front. And then we can put our tails through that loop carefully. That's the trick, is carefully pulling that tight so you don't rip your tag. You don't want to rip it. Just kind of gently pull it until you get that fairly snug. Okay, and we can trim any extra off that we don't need. And let's pop this up with a couple dimensionals. We only need 2. I think that's plenty. And this trim, this ribbon has this fun little silver detail, which I really love. I'm going to put this at a different angle. I'm going to put this straight with the card. Okay. Then I have used the little country heart, or the heart bouquet punch, and I've punched out a big heart from the Azure Afternoon cardstock. I'm going to pop this up. Right there, and then I have a little heart punched out of the bubblegum soft shimmer paper pack. There's 4 colors in that paper pack. It has bubblegum, Night of Navy, I think it's Pretty Peacock, and Berry Burst. I love this stuff. Look at how shimmery and pretty that is. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, let's pop this one up, but I think we need a small dimensional. I'm just trying to find where I put that. It's a little big, it's a little too small for a regular dimensional. We're gonna pop this up right next to that big heart. And I think we could find some places to put a few of our gems. I think I'll do blue. I think those will pop out a little bit better, or stand out a little better. Let's see, we'll do a couple down here too. small and a large on each corner there. Oh my goodness. So cute. Love it. So quick too. And we're using up all our extra supplies. I'm so excited. Okay. I hope you enjoyed today's cards. Check back on Wednesday. I know we're kind of out of sync this week, but Wednesday we'll make 2 more cards using the last of our Memories of More cards that were left over from our class. All right. If you have any questions, please post below, and I will see you all on Thursday. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.